Look, these are little croutons made out of pizza. This is genius. Can't believe nobody thought about this before. Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. Today is Wednesday salad, and you know what? I have a new recipe for you. Hi, for those who are new, welcome. My name is Phyllis, and every Wednesday I cook a new salad recipe with you. For this week's salad, I'm presenting to you Amelie. Amelie is a beauty. She is gourmet. So if you want to know how I did this salad, stay with me. To make this salad, you will need quinoa, cherry tomatoes, lemon juice, 1/2 of an avocado, some tomato sauce, mix of romaine and kale, cucumber, red onions, mozzarella, and parsley. So we're starting off with the base of the salad, romaine, kale, and then you add up your quinoa, you toss it a little bit, and then you add your cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, toss it. For the salad, we're really going to go for a mix look, and then we add the red onion, we toss again, and then we add some lemon juice all over our salad. In the middle, we're going to add the tomato sauce. A little bit of sweetness, never gonna hurt nobody. And then you add your grated mozzarella. And then we add in the middle our avocado. I usually put 1/2 of a avocado, but you could put more if you like it. And then we add some more grated cheese. And then we go with a little drizzle of olive oil. Essentially, her dressing is going to be really simple since we have tomato sauce and then the lemon juice. After that, we're going to add some parsley, just to add a little bit more spice. We're adding 1 more spoon of tomato sauce, fresh pepper, and our special ingredient, crouton made out of gluten-free pizza. You guys know I'm gluten-free, and I love to find so much fun alternative. I wanted to eat something gourmet, something a little bit more with a little bit more of edge, so I decided to take my pizza that I got at the supermarket. You can get anyone. It's the frozen one that you put underneath the oven, and then you just cut it in thin slice, and you add it up on top of the salad, and then voila, you have special croutons that are freshly made and custom made just for you. So let's taste it together. Oh my god. This is delicious. I don't know for you, but I like a good crouton in my salad. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, with all the person you love, family, friends, share. It is a must. I guess we'll see each other next week for the next Wednesday salad. Cheers, guys.